Hi, I'm Sarah St. Clair, and I'm here at Golden Village Palms in beautiful Hemet. I'm excited to take you on a tour of our gorgeous vacation homes. This is the first model here we have in East Village. I'd love to show you all the features we have to offer here in this beautiful home. This beautiful spacious kitchen is upgraded with engineered Cortec flooring, beautiful cabinetry, and solid Corian countertops. You'll notice the beautiful tile backsplashes. The faucets are high-quality Keystone brass fixtures, and the sink comes in many options from stainless to black composite. Notice this gorgeous shower enclosure. It can be upgraded to any tiles of your choice. These homes come stock with a smart TV and soundbar already installed for your pleasure. Check out this gorgeous bedroom. It's got plenty of space and tons of storage. Check out this adorable, spacious patio. Imagine having your friends over for drinks or a nice dinner. Thank you for taking a tour with me. Again, my name is Sarah St. Clair with Golden Village Palms Resort. Contact me to experience tiny home, big living.